to our video. Today, we're taking you on a journey to explore the rich and aromatic world of tofu and vegetable curry. This vegan recipe is a celebration of colors, flavors, and wholesome ingredients that come together in a harmonious dance of taste. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu, cubed, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 can 14 oz coconut milk, assorted vegetables, potatoes, carrots, peas, etc. As salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish, cooked rice or naan. Heat coconut oil in a pot over medium heat. Add chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Add minced garlic, curry powder, turmeric, and cumin. Cook for a minute until fragrant. Add cubed tofu and assorted vegetables. Stir to coat them with the spices. Simmer in the coconut milk and bring to a simmer. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the curry over cooked rice or with naan bread, garnished with fresh cilantro. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally? Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment US, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.